Hello everyone. In today's videos, we will be discussing the top 5 best drone camera 4K available on the market. The list has been curated based on features, prices, quality, durability, and the reputation of the manufacturers. If you are looking for an affordable and reliable best drone camera 4K, this video will guide you through some great options. Number 1. Xiaomi P15 Drone 4K Professional Camera 8K. The front lens is placed with wide-angle 8K high-definition Wi-Fi, and the optical flow high-definition lens at the bottom can switch the camera angle. The servo gimbal design increases stability, and EIS electronic image stabilization is added to make the picture lines clearer. The altitude fixing function has the altitude fixing mode function, and the optical flow positioning and fixed point function is stable in flight. Ultra-long battery life 3.7V 2200 mAh lithium-ion battery. Battery life is about 45 minutes. Customize the route. You can draw the picture you want to fly on the app. App mobile phone control, one-key return, headless mode, up and down, forward and backward, left and right side flight. Gesture photography, optical flow positioning, brushless motor, super long battery life, obstacle avoidance gimbal components, stop without collision when encountering obstacles. Brushless motor provides stronger power and longer service life. 5 GHz anti-interference technology, 6-axis gyroscope, more stable flight, more convenient control. 720 omnidirectional obstacle avoidance, no fear of crashing. The product is light in size and weight, which can avoid aviation control. Number 2. Orstarry L900 Pro SE Drone 5G GPS HD Camera. This product's function is very powerful. If you want to know more information, you can contact me at any time. The price of this product can be the most favorable. If you have questions about it, you can always contact me. If you have any questions about the product, you can contact me at any time. I will provide you with the best service. We will carry out strict quality inspection of products before production, leaving the factory and shipping, and strictly inspect each machine, just to provide you with the best products. If you feel dissatisfied after receiving the product, you can contact me at any time. I will do my best to solve it for you. With foldable arm, small size, easy to carry. ESC 4K HD wide-angle camera. Can be adjust the angle 90 by controller. With 5G Wi-Fi function can be connected app, take pictures/video, real-time transmission through the phone camera image. GPS assisted flight. Provides you with accurate positioning details of your drone. The drone will automatically return to home precisely when its battery is low or the signal is weak when flying out of range, never worrying about losing the drone. Optical flow positioning. Fixed point height, and it can shoot more easily and steadily indoor. Altitude hold mode. By setting the air pressure outside, the quadcopter can hover in the air stably, making the shooting easier. Gesture photo/video. You will break the old way of taking photo and find the fresh new thing by make gestures to record your beauty. Within the range of 1-3 m. 28 minutes max flight time. The high-capacity 7.4V 2200 mAh intelligent battery yields up to 28 minutes flight time. Brushless motor. It is so quiet but very powerful when running. Breakdown rarely occurs and motor replacement is seldom required, which makes your flight more enjoyable. Follow me mode. The drone will automatically follows and captures you wherever you move, keeping you in the frame at all times, easier to get complex shots, provides hands-free flying and selfie. Waypoint flight mode. Open the drone app, use flight plan at your fingertips, just draw a route on the screen, the copter will auto-fly as per the given path. Fixed point surround. Choose one point, then the drone will fly around the point in a circle. 6-axis gyro, which can have more stable flying and be easy to control. The quadcopter fuselage is made of high-strength and resistant engineering plastics, lightweight and durable resistance. Number 3. YOAINGO new M6 Drone 4K Professional. Front, back, left and right have intelligent obstacle avoidance on all sides. When the obstacle avoidance function is turned on, it will automatically avoid obstacles. It has the function of optical flow positioning hovering, altitude keeping mode and stable flight. Dual cameras, freely switchable, horizontal/vertical/overhead. In headless mode, there is no need to adjust the position of the plane before flying. Built-in HD can adjust the camera by remote control up and down. Surprisingly, it can capture amazing pictures and videos from the sky. 6. It has Wi-Fi function, can be connected with application programs and APK system, and can take photos, take videos and transmit them in real time through mobile phone. Draw a flight path on the screen, and the drone will fly autonomously along the specified path. 2.4 GHz anti-jamming technology. For channels, which can fly up, down, forward, backward, left and right. Brushless motor, 6-axis gyroscope, smoother flight and more convenient control. Upgrade the remote controller with screen control, support real-time image transmission and aerial photography, with memory card and card reader. The fuselage has a real-time electricity display. Functions: up/down, front/back, left/right turn, lateral flight, headless mode, optical flow positioning hovering, electrically adjustable dual cameras, obstacle avoidance on all sides, 360-degree rolling, altitude maintenance mode, Wi-Fi FPV, screen-controlled remote controller, and fuselage power display screen. Number 4. Xiaomi Mijia M6 Drone 8K Professional. Front, back, left and right with four-sided intelligent obstacle avoidance. After turning on the obstacle avoidance function, it will automatically avoid obstacles when encountering them. With optical flow positioning hovering and altitude holding mode functions, the flight is stable. Dual cameras, freely switchable, horizontal/vertical/overhead shooting. In headless mode, there is no need to adjust the position of the aircraft before flying. Built-in high-definition remote control camera that can be adjusted up and down. Surprisingly, it can capture amazing pictures and videos from the sky. With Wi-Fi function, it can connect to applications and APK systems, and take photos, videos, and transmit in real time through mobile phone camera images. Draw a flight path on the screen, and the drone will fly autonomously along the specified path. 2.4 GHz anti-interference technology. For channels, can rise, fall, forward, backward, fly left, and fly right. Brushless motor, 6-axis gyroscope, smoother flight and more convenient control. Upgraded remote control with screen control, support real-time image transmission of aerial photography, equipped with memory card and card reader. The fuselage has a real-time power display screen. Functions: up/down, forward/backward, left/right turn, lateral flight, headless mode, optical flow positioning hovering, electric dual camera, four-sided obstacle avoidance, 360-degree roll, altitude hold mode, Wi-Fi FPV, with screen control remote control, fuselage power display. Number 5. L200 Pro Max Drone 4K Professional. GPS returns to takeoff point with one click, low battery return, no signal return. GPS intelligent following, image following, identify the photographed object and automatically follow the flight. Gesture shooting recognition, within 1-3 m from the aircraft, make photo/video gestures facing the camera. Plan flight with multiple points on the route. The aircraft flies autonomously according to the preset route, and the player focuses on shooting. Fixed point surround, find the center point of the surround, and then use the joystick to move the desired surround radius. Aircraft retrieval function, click the GPS signal icon 3 times in succession to open the map interface. The map displays the aircraft's final distance, longitude and latitude position. Pictures, music and video sharing can be added, single or multiple selections can be made to share photos, and videos can only be shared individually at a time. 4K adjustable camera, EAS 2-axis mechanical stabilizing gimbal plus laser obstacle avoidance. 7.6V plug-in smart lithium battery.